So here we are on the Harrier CBX, and this was actually the first one. We weren't going to do any service work till beginning of January, but I had time to fit these in December, so we just do the test now. We're into the beginning of beginning of January. So this is the first one we'll be doing. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Off we go.
Roger that.
So I'll plug the extension speaker in, if I can find the right socket. See, the beauty of the Barnatone 5-star is you can switch
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
extension speaker from the front. Roger and Dodger, I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up
Middle.
towards the end of the line.
Low.
Field on the right. Can't really see what the crops are doing at this time, but they're probably underwater, I would think.
It'll turn into a rice crop.
Yeah, probably. Alright, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger, we must be past 7 o'clock then.
It is 13 minutes past.
Roger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. How's the rain out there?
It's still wet.
Really?
Yeah. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
We're now going round Wet Corner, Scratchy Corner.
Roger on that, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Wet Corner, Scratchy Corner.
Roger on that, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Harrier CBX from 1981, using the Cybernet 134 chassis, lifting at 441 now.
Yep, roger that. All received. Fire brigade still in attendance.
Roger on that.
over.
Roger, got you going over Wilson, level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this Cybernet 134, which is the Harrier CBX flagship model, and we'll go over to low power in a moment. So we're doing 44 watts, 1.35 amp, setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the factory original microphone as well. Looking to a high low power switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we are on low power. The radius is 400 milliwatts, it's going 640 milliamps, back to full power, and there we are back at 4 watts, over.
Yep, roger that. Well received on both.
Excellent, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over. Yep. 139.9, 148.9. Roger, that's not so scary. Right, well that concludes the test, that works fine, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger Dodger. And do you have a petrol price for me at Rossby Level Crossing petrol station?
Yep, 139.9, 148.9.
Roger, that's not so scary. Right, well that concludes the test, that worked fine, thank you.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Yep, that worked absolutely great. Let's go over to the, and that's the factory mic, we'll go over to the base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the Harrier CBX with the factory original microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Setting 12345, 54321. And we'll pop over to low power just as a hum test. Then we're on low power 400 milliwatts and then back to the normal power. So I think we'll be carrying on with that radiogram tomorrow